This video will demonstrate how to solve an equation using your TI Groovy Graphing Calculator. This time we're going to look at an equation where instead of there being a 0 on one side, there is some other number. We're going to use this y1 and this y2 to solve the equation 2 sine x plus 1 equals 2.1. Before we get started, of course, remember to put yourselves in reading mode and trig zoom, just so we're all looking at the same graph. So since I've already input those two functions in there, my graph is already showing up. But make sure you've put in 2 sine x plus 1 exactly like this, with the bracket closed around the x, and then y2 is going to be the line y equals 2.1. So if you hit graph, this is what you should see. And we can see that the line y equals 2.1 meets our trig function in several places. So we can ask the calculator to find any one of these intersection points that we want. I'm going to look for this one first. So to do that, we go second calc, and we go to choice number 5, the intersect feature. It asks you first curve. It's asking you if this y1 that's displayed is one of the functions that is involved in the intersection you're interested in. Yes, it is. We say yes by hitting enter. We don't even have to move the cursor. And now it's saying, is this the second curve? Is y equals 2.1 the second function that you're interested in intersecting with something? And we say yes by hitting enter. Now it's asking if we want a guess. Now at this point, it's going to give us the solution that is closest to the blinking cursor. And since that is closest to the one I'm interested in, I'm going to say yes by hitting enter. It gives us the solution. X is equal to 0.58, blah, blah, blah. Notice that the y is equal to 2.1, which makes sense because that's what we're interested in. So if you wanted to find the next intersection point, you would do the same procedure. Second calc, intersect. This time I'm just going to move the cursor over in advance because I want it to be as close as possible to the point I'm interested in. So is this the first curve? Yes, it is. Is this the second curve? Yes, it is. Do I want the answer? Durr. And there you go. The next intersection point is about 2.6. Notice again the y is at 2.1.